everybody! Today I am going to be showing you a video about these little guys, this Disney Wishables collection. I picked up one of these on our most recent Disney World trip and I've been waiting to make this video to open it. I am really excited about this. So in this video, I want to make this, I just filmed my Disney World haul video as well as my Disney Character Warehouse outlet haul. So be sure to go ahead and watch those if you want to see all of the little goodies that I picked up on this trip. But I wanted to make this right here its own separate video to kind of go into what the Disney Wishable collection is, kind of all the ins and outs about it, and then do like a fun little reveal of what my Wishable is. So I first saw this through my friend Nicole, her Instagram story. She attended the media event for these Wishables collection when Disney came out with this. And basically what it is Disney will do different series for this. They came out with, there's a Pirates of the Caribbean one. I got one of those for my friend. I'm really excited to see what he gets with that one. They also had a Finding Nemo one and then like a classic, I think like Mickey and Minnie set. And so how it works is in each one of the different series, there's like 4 different options that you can get, and it has them on the back here. As well as I think there's then always, at least for some of the collections, there's one that you can buy outside of the blind bag. So you kind of are guaranteed what you're gonna get, but that's only for one of the characters. Then the rest of them, if you want it, you kind of have to gamble with this. And it even says on the front, it says, go ahead and, it says like squeeze me, so that you can like try to figure out what it is that you have. So that's like really fun. And when I was talking to Nicole about this, she said that when she was at the event, she said it was so funny because it's like all a room full of adults that are all like going around squeezing, trying to figure out so that they get the one that they want, which is just like super cute. It's so much fun. So I'm excited to open this up and see what I have. And it was cool because when I was picking this one out, and like I said, I got one for, I wanted to try one out, and I got one for my friend, and then Alyssa ended up getting one as well. I was with her in Disney Springs shopping when I bought these, and it was cool because the one cast member came over and she was like so into it, and she's like, what are you hoping for? And she started like feeling the bags and like kind of giving us some direction about it, which was really cool. And it was actually, she started helping us when we were actually at the checkout already, and she asked me, she's like, what are you hoping for? And I told her I wanted the Dole Whip. That was the one that I had my sights set on. And she's like, she starts feeling the bag and she's like, I can tell you it's not in this one. So she then kind of led me to, we think this one's the Dole Whip, we think. So we'll see once I open it up, but I would be happy with any of these. They are super adorable. If I have the Mickey Premium Bar, I'm sending it to Alyssa because her daughter, that was the one that she was really hoping for. So Juju, if I get the Premium Bar, it's coming your way. Okay, because yeah, she ended up getting the Dole Whip in hers, but wanted the Mickey Premium Bar. So that's a little bit about the Wishable collection. So now let's go ahead and open up. I'm so excited. Okay. Let me see. Oh, it feels like a Dole Whip. I think I did it. It's a Dole Whip. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. That's the one that I wanted. Aren't these just so cute? This is like perfect. Okay, this is gonna go on my desk. It's gonna be my little Dole Whip buddy. It is seriously so cute. I love it. Oh my goodness. And they're just so squishy too. This is so fun. So this is now like kind of the newest Disney merchandise little collectible thing, and I think they are so cute. I'm excited to see the future collections. I actually just saw on Instagram they did come out with even more collections that are going to be released over the summer, and I believe that they are going to start, Disney's going to be releasing like each month like a new set of them. And there's one that I'm really excited for, which is the Little Mermaid, because Ariel is one of my favorite princesses, so they're gonna have a Little Mermaid collection. So I can't wait. Oh, these are really cute. This is just adorable to then like collect and, you know, make a little display out of some super cute Disney plush. They're just like adorable little miniatures. So yay, I got the one that I wanted. Super nice cast member. I wish I remembered her name. She got it right. So this is my quick little review of the Disney Wishable collection. So this was a super fun little video to make. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know if you have checked out the Wishable collection yet and what you are thinking as far as like what are your hopes for what you're gonna get in your blind bags from the different collections and everything. It's really fun that you are kind of able to guess a little bit with it. Like you're able to feel the bag and be able to tell. Like I was really looking for in the pirate collection, I thought the really cute one was the parrot that they have, and he has like a really defined peg leg. So I was kind of like, the one that I picked out, that's what I sent to my friend. I was like really like feeling for the peg leg because I thought that one was super cute. So it is fun that you can kind of like tell a little bit, but there's still that element of surprise there. And these would be really, they're a great little souvenir to collect. They run around like $9. I'll put in the official price. But I think this is an adorable merchandise trend that Disney has started, and I can't wait to see the future collections that they are going to release. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like I said, let me know what you are hoping for, or if you've tried these out yet and what you got in your bag. I would love to hear all about it. Be sure to subscribe for more Disney videos, Disney vlogs, and other travel related videos and everything. I have a lot of new vlogs coming out on my channel from our recent Disney trips. I have my cruise that I went on, vlogs from that, as well as vlogs coming from Punta Cana that I just went to. So lots of different Disney and travel content coming your way very soon. So be sure you're subscribed, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye!